Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you one more technique to paint flower vase. This is the opaque version of the vase, and I have created this particular shape of the vase, but you can paint or you can draw any shape or any size of your choice, whatever you like. So I have created something like this, but take your time to draw some basic structure, whatever you like to draw. And my light is coming towards the right side, from the right side, so my reflection of light is towards the right side only. So I'm keeping the reflection of lights towards the right side only. So keep these areas white or negative based on your uh, shape of the vase itself. My shape is something like this, so I'm keeping three shape or three structure like this to keep it clean whenever I'm going to paint it. But based on your structure, you can keep your reflection area as per your need. Now you need to wetten your vase area thoroughly. So I'm going through the edges itself and wettening my sheet or wettening my vase area thoroughly. Do not touch the reflection area because we want to keep those area white itself, and apply a very thin layer of water in it. Through these particular rules, you can paint any vase of any size and any shape. You just need to keep or take care of reflection shape, and you also need to take care of from where your light is coming. So in our case, the light is coming from the right side. Now I am applying a layer of color, so you can apply any color of your choice. Right now I am applying blue color. So as we have already applied a layer of water, so you can apply a layer of color after that, keeping negative space for the reflection. So I'm not thinking too much, I'm just applying a layer of color also throughout the vase. You can choose any color, whatever you like. Now we need to apply a little dark shade, so I have mixed more blue shade into it to make it little darker in shade, and I'm applying those darker color towards the left side because the light is coming towards the right side. So assume if your light is coming towards or from the center, then you need to keep your dark shade towards left and right and keep your reflection areas in the center. Or for example, if your light is coming from the left side, then you need to keep your dark shade towards the right side and reflection areas towards the left side. So those things you can change as per your need. Right now I'm keeping my dark shades towards the left side and light shade towards the right side, and reflection of area is also towards the right side. I'm adding more dark shade towards the left side. I don't have any reference point, so I'm doing it based on my instinct. Now just apply a very a light layer of blue color in half area of reflection. So I'm not applying the color throughout the reflection area, only half of the area, and then with the help of dry brush technique I'm lifting color from those area. So I have white area also, and I have light color of blue as well in that particular area towards the right side. So lift some color from those areas, make it little lighter. As sheet is quite wet, so we can lift color easily from those area, and then you can add some more shades in between. Now let's create the base of the vase. So with the help of same color, keep negative space and add a line throughout the base. So this negative space is absolutely important. This will reflect a reflection of light or glass kind of texture in your vase. And you can repeat the same process towards the right side also. So apply a thin line towards the right side, keeping negative space in between. You can follow these process in any vase, whatever you like to paint, of any shape, of any color, of any size, and you can paint these things easily. Or if you try to follow these process, you can paint all these things very easily. Apply little dark texture around the lighter area. You can blend the color with the darker node. Don't overdo it. Just blend the color. And that's it. We can add one more layer of dark shade towards the left side and little bit in between as well. And we are done with the vase. Let it dry for some time and let's create some basic flower. So I'm creating few basic flower here. So create some dots of black like this. So number of flowers equal to number of dots. So I'm creating 4-5 flowers here, and then few smaller dots around the bigger dot. I'm using black color itself, and repeat the same process for all the dots that we have. Now you can choose whatever color you like. I'm using pink and purple color for the flower. You can add basic petal shape. The only thing you can consider here is petal size. You can keep few petal smaller and few petal bigger. This will give you a little perspective of flowers. We don't need a same perspective. so it will give you a little perspective in your flower. So keep your petal shape or size in different ways, smaller, bigger, something like that. And then with the help of green color, add stems and leaf. As this is the opaque version of the vase, we don't have to take care of what's going on inside the vase. Add few leaves as well. And we're almost done with this particular painting. You can add little reflection. And that's it, we're done for today's painting. Hope you have liked this painting. Do let me know if you guys have any feedback for me, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.